Welcome to this one, friends. So I'm going to tell you about another octant of space. Remember that in the previous video I showed you how this octant of space is all positive in the sense that the x, y, and z coordinates for a point in this octant are all positive. So now I'm going to turn this, I'm going to switch my attention to this new octant. And again, that value there in the middle, right, that point in the middle is still 0, 0, 0. It's the origin where all of the axes meet. This way is the positive z-axis. This way is the negative x-axis now. That's not meant to be negative t. That's negative 7, okay? And that other little red mark in front of the x is negative x. This is like the negative x-axis. And now this axis here, as you can see, is the positive y-axis. So here when I locate a point in this quadrant of space, I'm sorry, octant. I keep saying quadrant from habit. In this octant of space, you're going to have a negative x coordinate, a positive y coordinate, and a positive z coordinate. So let me grab my little point. I'm just going to place this somewhere over here. Let's go through this a little bit. So first of all, when I look at it from this perspective, look at this. This is a perspective, a view. That is the negative x, positive z, as you see right there, okay? And if I look at it the right way, you have to be kind of careful here. That still, for the z coordinate, seems to give about 3.5 positive, as you see. Look at the back plane. For the x coordinate, look down to the x-axis. So that there gives a value of about negative 3. I wish this camera would zoom in better sometimes, but well, it is what it is. See, that's negative 3. And then if I look down to the y-axis, that's positive 4, where the y turns. So when you put these things together, remember the x comes first, the y comes second, and the z comes last in terms of coordinates. You're going to do it as follows. Point is negative 3. The y coordinate I've read as positive 4 from right there in that location. And then the z coordinate is 3.5 positive. So the triple that represents it is negative 3, comma, positive 4, comma, positive 3.5. That's how you label that point. And that's the whole kind of octant right here. So if this has been helpful in terms of obviously being able to understand the location of a point in 3 dimensions, please leave a like.